You ever find yourself buried in a million tabs while trying to figure out if a product on Amazon is actually worth selling? Yeah, I've been there. That's exactly why Helium 10's Chrome extension is such a game changer. It takes all that guesswork and crunching numbers across different tools and it brings it right into your browser while you're shopping around on Amazon. No need to bounce between tabs, spreadsheets, or tools. It's like a little research assistant just chilling in your toolbar. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through everything you need to know about the Chrome extension for Helium 10. From the tools inside it to how you can use them and move faster to make smarter product decisions. And don't forget that you can get a 20% discount code by clicking the link down in the description to get started on Helium 10. All you gotta do is use code ECOMMastery20 and you'll get 20% off your first 6 months. This way, you can go ahead and follow along. So let's dive in. First things first, what even is the Helium 10 Chrome extension? Think of it as a mini version of Helium 10 that lives inside your browser. When you're browsing products on Amazon, it adds extra data right under the page. Things like bestseller rank, known as BSR, who's selling the product, how much it might be making per month, and more. But it's not just one tool. The extension actually includes several tools, all packed into one place. Here's what's inside: Xray, ASIN grabber, profitability calculator, inventory levels, review insights, demand analyzer on Alibaba, and some cool little widgets baked into the Amazon interface. So we'll go through each of them step by step and show you how to actually use this in real life. So if you don't already have the Helium 10 Chrome extension, just go ahead and open a new tab and type in Helium 10 Chrome extension and click on this first tab right here from the Chrome web store. All you have to do is click on here, add to Chrome. Now I already have it on there. That's why it says remove from Chrome, which I don't want to do. But if you don't have it, this is what it'll look like. Xray, the heart of the extension. So let's start with the big one, Xray. This is a tool that you'll probably use the most. When you're on an Amazon search results page, just click on the Helium 10 icon in your Chrome toolbar to open up Xray. Now, what happens? Boom. Right there on the top of the page, of the top of the Amazon listings, you get a full breakdown of what's happening with the products on the page. You'll see estimated monthly sales, revenue per product, number of reviews, review rating, bestseller rank, price, FBA or FBM, who's winning the buy box, number of sellers, image count, and even the size tier, which helps you guess FBA fees. Now, this tool gives you a quick snapshot of the whole market for that keyword. Let's say you're searching for aloe soap. You can instantly see how competitive the category is, what kind of revenue top products are doing, and if there's any room for you to jump in. If you see a product making good money with only a few images or weak reviews, that could be your chance to do it better. Also worth mentioning, Helium 10 has a success score in here, but take that with a grain of salt. You'll get way more value out of reading the data for yourself than relying on a star rating. So let's go ahead and search for something here in Amazon. I've been pretty obsessed with golf lately, so let's go ahead and type in golf bag and just see what this data looks like for us here. So first things first, we can go ahead and see Xray working here at the top of our page. Now what we want to do here is click on show more and then show full summary. And it's going to take a second here, but here we can go ahead and see the 30-day revenue for this category, the 30-day units sold, the average BSR, the average price, average rating, and top 10 products with revenue over 5,000. There's 9 out of 10, and under 75 reviews, there's only 2 out of 10. Then we come over here on the left, we can go ahead and see the top 10 products by organic rank, their price, revenue, and their market share. Custom filters for faster decisions. Now, here's where it gets cool. You can create your own success score based on what you care about. In the settings, you can set rules like minimum $5,000 per month, revenue, maximum 75 reviews. Then when you run Xray, it'll show you how many listings on the page match your criteria. Let's say 6 out of 10 products meet your revenue goal and 3 out of 10 meet your review goal. That gives you a quick glance at how much opportunity is there without digging deep into every single listing. It's a small feature, but a really helpful one. Find suppliers on Alibaba. Built right in. Okay, so you find a product that looks promising. You want to know, can I actually source this affordably? Click on the Find Suppliers on Alibaba button right from the search results or Xray. It'll pull up real Alibaba suppliers that match the product that you're looking at. You can filter by things like minimum order quantity, price range, vendor ratings. This saves you the hassle of opening Alibaba in a separate tab and manually typing in product names. It's a super slick feature. ASIN grabber. Go wide, not just deep. Xray focuses on the first page of Amazon search results. But what if you want a wider look? That's where the ASIN grabber comes in. It scrapes ASINs from multiple pages of search results. often page 1, 2, and even 3. Gives you a bigger list of products to analyze and compare. You won't get quite as much detailed data as with Xray, but you'll get title, ASIN, price, number of sellers, BSR, and a downloadable CSV file. This is perfect if you're doing seasonal research like prepping for Halloween and you want to save a bunch of listings to look at later. So from this search page, we can go ahead and click on the Helium 10 extension tool up here and click on ASIN Grabber. And from here, we can go ahead and export this into either a CSV file or an XLSX file. Profitability calculator. Can you actually make money? Now, this is one of my favorite tools because it's straight up practical. Let's say you found a product and you're thinking about sourcing it. You need to know, is it actually profitable? When you're on a product listing, just open the profitability calculator. It'll estimate FBA fees, referral fees, shipping costs, profit margins, and ROI. You can tweak things like manufacturing costs or shipping to see how it impacts your bottom line. Now, obviously these are estimates. Helium 10 doesn't know your exact supplier prices, but it gives you a starting point to run the math and avoid any surprises down the road. Inventory levels. Know your competition. The inventory levels tool is simple but powerful. Go to a product page, click the tool, and it'll tell you how much stock each seller has left. Using a method that basically tries to add 999 items to the cart and sees what Amazon allows. Now, why does this matter? If you're wholesaling, you can see if it's worth competing. If you're a private label and someone's hijacking your listing, this helps you spot it. If a competitor is running low on stock, that might be your chance to gain traction while they're out. Keep in mind, if a seller has a max order limit, this method doesn't always work perfectly, but it's still useful in most cases. So to go ahead and see those last two tools in action, let's go ahead and open up this product page here. So go ahead and click on the show full datas of the Xray here. And over here, we'll go ahead and start with the estimate net margin. And this is the profitability calculator that will estimate how much you can make. So there's a ton of details in here. And again, you can come in here and adjust this, but as you can see, they are operating at a 15.66% margin. Again, this is estimated, but this is really good information if you are in the product research portion. Now to go ahead and see the stock, we'll come over here to see stock. And as we can see, the stock is set to max quantity set. So we're not getting any good information on that example, but that's how you use the tool. Review insights. Goldmine for listing optimization. Now this one's a game changer when it comes to improving your listing or sizing up your competitors. Click on review insights and it pulls up all the reviews from a product. Then it shows you the most common phrases that people use, like easy to clean, smells amazing, or perfect for sensitive skin, depending on the product, obviously. Now you can also sort by star rating and date range. So let's say people keep mentioning that a soap is great for sensitive skin. That might not have shown up in your keyword research, but it's clearly important to your customers. That's something that you'd want to highlight in your title, bullet points, images, maybe even a call out badge in your listing. You can also spot common complaints and avoid repeating mistakes. People are frustrated about packaging or product size, you'll know to fix that before launch. So if we come in here to this same product, we have the Xray tool pulled up and we'll come here to current rating and click on analyze reviews. And this brings us to the review insights. Now, what's cool about this tool is that you can go ahead and set some filters over here. So you can select for date range, only verified, only helpful, only with images, only with videos. You can select by rating. So maybe you want to go look at those lower ratings like 1, 2, and 3 stars to see what went wrong, as well as variations. So if you wanted to get specific reviews for a specific variation of a product, that's how you could do that as well. Listing Analyzer shortcut, one-click deep dive. Now there's one more sneaky feature buried in the Chrome extension, and that's the Listing Analyzer or Scribbles shortcut. Now, if you're on a product page and you want to see how often your competitors use specific keywords, just click the button and it'll load the entire listing into Helium 10's Scribbles tool. From there, you can add keywords like organic aloe or sensitive skin and see how many times they appear in the title, bullets, description. And if they're using aloe vera 8 times across their copy, that tells you something. Maybe it's a top converting keyword, or maybe it's just their focus. Either way, it gives you a peek at their strategy. Putting it all together. So at this point, you're probably thinking, cool, this all sounds great, but how do I actually use it? Here's a quick real-world workflow. Go to Amazon and type in your main keyword. Run Xray to see if the market looks promising. Use the ASIN grabber if you want more data from page 2 and beyond. Something looks good, click Find Suppliers on Alibaba and check sourcing options. Click into a product page and run the profitability calculator to run the numbers. Check inventory levels to see how much stock sellers have. Use Review Insights to figure out what customers actually care about. And use the Scribble shortcut to peek into your competitors' keyword usage. That's a full product research workflow without even leaving your browser. Now don't forget, you can get a 20% discount code on Helium 10 by clicking the link in the description to get started. Just use code ECOMMastery20 at checkout. So Helium 10's Chrome extension isn't just a nice to have. It's one of the fastest ways to go from idea to decision when it comes to Amazon FBA. You're getting all the data that you need: sales, reviews, competition, profitability, and customer feedback all in one place. And the best part is that it's free. You don't need a full Helium 10 subscription to use it. Just download it, try it, and see how much faster your product research becomes. Now, if you want to get started with Helium 10, again, we'll have that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.